Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to study English for your half-yearly Class 10 exams. First, familiarize yourself with the exam format and marking distribution. Next, break down your syllabus into smaller, achievable daily study targets. This approach helps prevent overwhelm and ensures steady progress. Remember to prioritize consistent practice in both grammar and vocabulary to build a strong foundation. To master literature, read your textbooks and poems several times to grasp the core ideas. After each reading, try to summarize the content in your own words. This reinforces understanding. Actively practice answering comprehension questions from different sample papers. Pay close attention to character analysis, themes, and literary devices used by the authors. For writing skills, consistent practice is key. Regularly write essays and letters, paying close attention to their specific formats. Work on improving your sentence structure and ensuring your paragraphs flow logically. Also, dedicate time to reviewing common grammatical errors and punctuation rules. This will significantly enhance the clarity and impact of your written responses. To boost your grammar and vocabulary, commit 30 minutes daily to targeted grammar exercises. Make it a habit to learn 5 to 10 new vocabulary words every single day. Actively use a reliable dictionary and thesaurus to expand your word knowledge and understand nuances. Consistent effort in these areas will greatly improve your overall English proficiency.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.